Hey folks, today we have a very special episode. This is one of my most favorite Cypriot dishes, and it's one with so much history. This is often Kleftiko, and this is how we're making it.
Now that name, it tells a story. Kleftiko literally means as stolen meat, and often means as slow-cooked.
So right away, you're wondering, who was stealing it and why?
Well, to get the answer, you have to go back centuries. Back when Greece and Cyprus were under Ottoman rule, bands of Greek freedom fighters, known as the Klefts, took to the mountains to resist. And to survive, they would often steal a lamb or goat from the authorities. But here's the problem. How do you cook when you're in hiding? An open fire means smoke and aroma, a dead giveaway to your enemies. Their solution was pure genius. They dug pits in the ground, buried the meat over hot embers, and sealed it all with earth and branches. It was a secret subterranean oven. The meat would cook for hours, unseen and unsmelled, slowly tenderizing in its own juices.
Now, fast forward to today. Thankfully, we don't need to dig a pit in the backyard. That brilliant technique evolved. In Cyprus, it became a legendary dish. It's all about capturing that same principle, sealing everything in tight to create the most incredibly tender, fall-off-the-bone lamb you have ever tasted.
Welcome to the Bigfoot Cyprus cooking show.
Bigfoot Cyprus cooking show.
All right, folks, welcome back. Now that you know the history, it's time to make some. And it all starts right here.
Look at this spread. This is the heart and soul of Cypriot Kleftiko. Of course, we've got our star, this gorgeous leg of lamb. These are the supporting actors that steal the show. Big, beautiful Cypriot potatoes. We're also gonna need lots of garlic, some sweet onions, and the juice of these incredible local lemons for some zing. And you can't forget the herbs. We've got fresh oregano and thyme straight from the garden. The flavor is just unbelievable. First things first, we gotta make the marinade. It's simple, powerful, and it's gonna get all over this lamb. We're talking olive oil, lemon juice, crushed garlic, and a whole lot of herbs. All right, let's build the heart of our flavor. You can't be shy here. We're going in with a whole lot of crushed garlic, and then the soul of Cypriot cooking, fresh oregano and thyme. The smell from just these two is already incredible. To finish this off, we need that bright, zesty kick from fresh lemon juice and a really good glug of olive oil to bring it all together. Look here, this is a key step. I'm cutting deep pockets all over the lamb. This is gonna create little hideouts for all that flavor to get deep down into the meat while it cooks. And now for my favorite part. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty, folks. This is where the magic happens. You want to massage all of that marinade into every single nook and cranny. Show the lamb you care. Now, the king takes his throne right on top of those potatoes. And this next part is the most important step of all. We have to create a perfectly sealed package. This is our modern day version of the Kleft's secret pit.
Now, the parchment, parcel, and foil works great. It's a fantastic method. But for a dish this special, I prefer to use a clay pot. You see that? That's the real deal right there. All that beautiful, radiant heat from the coals.
And now, we wait. This is the part of cooking I really love. The work is done, and you just have to trust the fire and the pot to do their thing. You can smell just a little hint of it in the air. There's that garlic and lamb. It's gonna be a few more hours, but it is absolutely worth the wait. Here it is, the moment of truth. Look at that. See how dark and roasted it is on the outside?
Unbelievable. It's so rich, so tender. You get the garlic, the lemon, the herbs.
And that's a wrap. I hope you folks love this one as much as I did. If you did, you know the drill. Hit all those good buttons. Drop a comment below to tell me what I should cook next. See ya!
Bigfoot Cyprus cooking show.